Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Canva account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you make an ebook cover in Canva for free? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create an ebook cover anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that setting up an ebook is a popular way to gather emails, but oftentimes you need an ebook cover to make it more appealing. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create an ebook cover, what you're going to do is click here on the search bar and type in ebook cover. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see Canva templates and then click on see all here on the right in purple. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all of the ebook covers that are available in Canva. So just so you know, some of these are paid and some of these are free. Oftentimes they are going to be free, but if they have a $ on the bottom right, like this one, or a crown, that is a paid feature. So what you want to do is just go ahead and scroll through and then see which one kind of fits with your brand. So let's see here. So this one looks pretty cool. Let me go ahead and just click on it. Okay, once you click on it, Canva is going to show you other ebook covers that might be similar. So sometimes you can find a better one if you scroll down. However, this one looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to click on that and then customize this template. So here we are in the Canva editor. So we can go ahead and start updating this ebook cover. So it's pretty simple. It's just like setting up a Facebook page, basically. When you click on it and you see these kind of purple boxes around it, that means you can go ahead and edit that section. So first, normally what I'll do is I'll go ahead and adjust the size so it's easier for me to work on. This is not really adjusting the size of the ebook cover. It's just adjusting the visual size as we work on it. And then let's go ahead and start editing. So if we hover over a section and it turns purple, that means we're going to go ahead and edit that section. So my name's not Avery. So let me go ahead and just highlight that. And then I'll just type in my name. Okay. And then each of the fonts you can change as well when you click on it and it's enclosed in that purple box. You're going to see this up here at the top. So maybe we can go ahead and increase the font, make it a little bigger, and we can change the color as well. So maybe we don't want black letters. Maybe we want green letters or red letters. Okay. And then here, I'm going to go ahead and change this to my channel name. Okay. Now you can see it's kind of large. So we're going to go ahead and just decrease the size. So that looks good. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab this other one and just drag it down a little bit. Okay. And it's still a little big. So I'm going to go ahead and shrink that down and then drag that down. So let me go ahead and change that to my name. Still a little big. So I'll shrink it down. And then you can move these little boxes around. You can just grab the box and then move it around. So maybe I want Anthony up here, or I want it down here a little bit. And then let me go ahead and center that up. Okay. And this logo right here, we can go ahead and change that. So we can just delete it if we want. And then you can come back over here and you can add in different features. So maybe I want my picture right there. What I'll normally do is I'll click here on elements and then I'll scroll down until I see frames and see all. Okay, so basically this is gonna be a frame and we're gonna add the picture right in the middle. So I like this one right here. It looks kind of funky and cool. So I'll just grab this and drag it right over there. Now my picture is gonna be really huge. I just want a small picture. So I'm gonna shrink this down. All right. Still a little too big. So let me shrink it down and then adjust it. Okay, that looks good. And I'm going to drop my picture right there in the middle. So here on the left side, we're going to click on upload. Okay, now you can see all the pictures that you have in your Canva. If you don't see your picture here, you can easily upload it from your computer. Once you upload it from your computer, it'll be stored here in your Canva library and you can use it with other projects. Now this looks like a little sky in there, but we want to put our picture, and all you're going to do is just grab the picture you want and just drag it right over where you want it to drop. So if you see right here, it's going to drop on the background. I don't want that. So I'm going to keep moving. And then as you can see my picture updates in the middle. Once you're done, just let go and it's going to drop me right in the middle. Okay. And then lastly, we want to go ahead and change this recipes. So let me go ahead and change this to making money on YouTube. Okay. Now let me drag that down a little bit. Okay. That looks better. Okay. Now this ebook cover is for a recipe, it looks like. So let's go ahead and change this background. I have this image of a city, so maybe I'll put that in the background. So I'll just drag it over until it changes. Okay, so this is a low resolution image. You can see it's kind of pixelated. So if this was going to be an actual ebook, I'd want to go ahead and use a high resolution image for the background, or maybe not, because actually that gives it kind of like a little funky 1970s look. And if you want to see the whole thing, you just go down here and just zoom out. So you're just zooming, and that you can see what the ebook cover looks like. Now you can also add other features in. So here on elements, there's a lot of different elements you can add in. So let me go back. Okay, so you can see there's 3D graphics, there's mockups. You can use the photo library from Canva. You can add in various stickers. So if you see something that you like, so maybe like this little Santa Claus thing, you can just drag it right on over and drop it to where you want. So we want it right there. So that's covering up a lot, and we can just shrink it down. So just shrink it down and we'll put this over here. And then you can also move these items backwards. So you'll just click on this. So if you have the purple box around it, you're going to right click, and then here on layer, you're going to move it backwards. So that way it's behind me. And as you can see, now you can see my image, and you can keep moving it backwards. It's set up in layers. Or maybe you don't like it, you can go ahead and click on the trash can. So for me, that looks pretty good for an ebook cover. So next thing, what I'll normally do is rename it. So make money, Anthony, ebook cover. Okay, so that looks pretty good. And we're going to go ahead and save it by clicking on the share button here on the top right. Once you click on share, you want to click on download. Okay, once you click on download, choose the file type. So you can download this as a PDF, ebook cover, or a JPG. So for me, I'll leave it at PNG and then I'll click on download. Okay, so now it downloaded. So here is the PNG file of my ebook cover. As you can see, it looks just like how we edited it. Now, if you need to come in and make changes, so maybe we're going to add in another offer, you can just come back into your Canva. It's going to be stored in your library. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create an ebook cover for free in your Canva account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.